If you do take a look at this right here, you will find out that Reddit stories are actually getting a lot of views and engagement on TikTok, and you can use that to make money right now with the TikTok creativity program. As you can see right here, this is a program that is actually in the beta phase right now, and you can actually start earning a lot of money with this particular strategy right now. If you do go into analyzing how much people actually get paid for the TikTok creativity program, you will actually do see right here that people get paid between 20 cents to 40 cents for the every 1,000 views they actually do go on to getting. And guys, if you're actually going to getting up to maybe millions of views right there, you can actually do estimate how much they will be earning right there from just a single video. You can see just a single video, this person has actually gotten 21.1 million views right there. So meaning that this person is actually going to be earning a lot of money from the TikTok creativity program, going on to hundreds of thousands of dollars right now with just this single video. So in this video right here, I'm going to walk you through how you can actually do just that right there, to go on to creating similar kinds of videos right now to this right here, and go on to enabling you earn some cool cash right now with the TikTok creativity program. So guys, you can see right here that these are actually all kinds of TikTok Reddit stories right here, whereby you just simply have a video game playing at the background and a text is actually running at the surface of that video, maybe with a voice over right there. So basically all you need to do to get such type of stories is to actually go on to heading onto platforms like the creepy pasta subreddit right here. As you can see, this is a cool subreddit where you can go on to seeing lots of Reddit stories right here. But if you want to just simply get this Reddit story firsthand, you want to just simply go onto their platform right here, which is actually called the creepy pasta right now. So if you do head onto their platform right here, you can actually do go on to getting Reddit stories firsthand right here. As you can see, these are actually stories that are actually posted on this platform at different times, different days right here. So all you need to do to just simply click on read now. You'll be able to see the entire story, but mind you right here, these stories are actually written in third person right here. So all you need to do, you need to convert the stories into the first person right now, and you can just simply utilize ChatGPT to do that. If I come onto ChatGPT, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to tell the story in the first person and delete the unnecessary things, focus on the story right now. And I'm just going to go on to putting in a colon so that it can actually detect that the next text that is coming in is the story right there. So if I head back to that particular platform right there, which is actually the Reddit, I'm just going to come right here and copy this particular Reddit story. I'm going to copy the entirety of the content. So once you've actually copied the entirety of the content, you need to just simply head back to ChatGPT and just simply paste that in right there. Click on enter, and you can see right here the message I submitted is quite too long, so you just need to go on to shortening it right here. Maybe I'm just going to go on to shortening it right now. I'm just going to click on this edit icon. If I click on the edit icon right here, I'm going to go on to removing a very huge section from this right now. Guys, if you take a look at this right here, you can actually do see that ChatGPT has actually begun to write the entire story right now. ChatGPT actually started writing the story, but I think the text is actually too long right here. So you actually need to go on to utilizing ChatGPT quite well to shorten the text at some point right there, to also enable ChatGPT write this better for you. ChatGPT actually went on to doing a good job until it's actually getting on to having an issue right there with the entirety of the content. So you just need to go on to utilizing this to get the story. Once you do get the story right here, you just need to copy the entirety of the story. But guys, the next platform which you are going to utilize is a very cool platform called 11labs.io, where you just need to come onto this particular section. If you come onto this section right here, as you can see which says text, you need to paste in the text from that particular Reddit story and convert that into an audio right here or a voice over right now. So this is a very cool text to speech tool that you can actually use called 11labs.io. It's an amazing one right here which you can use to convert text to speech right here and utilize that to get cool and amazing voice overs. And right now guys, since you've actually gotten your speech and your text, you may be actually in need of getting similar kinds of videos to what people are actually utilizing right here on TikTok. So for you to go on to getting such kind of videos, you just need to head on to platforms like YouTube and search for the Minecraft fast pour out copyright. If you do search for that right here, you can actually do see some cool and amazing videos right here. And this video right here will be a good option because it actually lasts for about an hour and 20 seconds and 20 minutes long. If you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see a lot more other kinds of videos right there that will be helpful to you. So all you need to do is to go on to downloading this particular video right now. Once you download that on your device right there, you want to just simply go on to cutting that into bits, inserting the voiceover and utilizing an auto caption to actually generate caption for that. And all that can be done with the help of this platform right here called CapCut. So you can actually go into accessing CapCut online. There is a free version of CapCut online. You actually go into CapCut. This is the web version right there. You can utilize CapCut to do just that right here. It is quite easy right now. You may also want to come right here and select the specific aspect ratio which you want to use right now for your particular text right there. So if you do come right here, select the ratio right here, you can see different ratio, which is the 16:9. This is actually for landscape videos. You can see the 4:3, 4:3, that is for LinkedIn, 2:1 right here. You can see this 9:16. These are actually for TikTok videos right now. Select that, and that's what you're actually going to use to go into creating your videos right now. So you create your videos right there with the help of CapCut. You can actually go on to getting auto captions right here by going onto the text section. If you do click on text and this page loads up, you'll be able to see a section for auto caption that you can actually go on to utilizing caption that particular video right now and actually give it a very cool caption right there. So once you do add in cool captions right now, you can then just simply grab your video and go on to uploading that on TikTok and start getting a lot of engagement. Because if you analyze TikTok with the similar web statistics, you'll find out that TikTok gets about 2.1 billion visits in the last 28 days right now. That's actually a huge amount of traffic right now. So why not just simply leverage this traffic to get a lot of engagement to your TikTok videos and actually start earning some cool cash with that using the TikTok creativity program right here. But you can see some requirements that you need to actually meet up for the TikTok creativity program. That you actually need to be a US based account that is eligible for that. That's not actually a problem because you can use a VPN to create such a kind of account right there. You need to be at least 18 years of age. You need to have at least 10,000 followers on TikTok, and you need to have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. With this strategy, you can actually achieve all these right now. So leverage this right there, utilize this, and go on to making some cool and easy cash online just by utilizing TikTok. And if the video added any form of value to you, why not just simply head on to my channel, smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. That is it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.